Okay, hi guys. Just putting together a small little resource to help out a few people who are having just a little bit of trouble trying to visualize what we were doing with this question in class the last day. Okay, so we were looking at our sphere in contact with our cone, and instead of being side by side, the sphere was actually after being brought around to the front of the cone. Okay, so what I have here is I have just these reference planes set up. So this is our horizontal plane and this is our vertical plane. And we can see I have set up a cone and a sphere in contact with each other. So they're in contact there, just at that point there somewhere. And they are both resting on that horizontal plane. Okay. So in our question, okay, the sphere is down here somewhere just like that, okay? And to figure out how we are going to actually go about drawing the sphere in this position, okay? What we have to do is um, we have to put the sphere back into its original position, which is there. Okay, so we need to put the sphere back into that original position and then manually rotate it around. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to start with our normal sketch. Okay, so that'll be this sketch here. So if I look in at the elevation right here, okay, that this view will be projected back onto my vertical plane there, and this is going to give me my elevation. Okay, so we know how to do this. Okay, so we draw our triangle, bisect the angle between the extreme generator and our XY line here. Okay, and then measure up the 27 millimeters, I think it was the radius for the circle. Okay, and finding that point of contact there was quite simple. This line is perpendicular to that extreme generator and it goes through the center of our sphere. Okay, so that is a really quick rundown there of how to find the point of contact in a regular elevation when they're side by side. Okay, so that point of contact is dropped down onto our XY line, and then that is projected into our our plan down here. Okay, so we can see that our point of contact, if we just put down where they're supposed to be, our point of contact is here now. Sorry. So we can see our point of contact is right here, that little dot there, between the cone and the sphere. Okay, so now we're being told that that line there, it's a little bit hard to see. So this line here is where the sphere is going to be on now. Okay, so we take the sphere and we just rotate it around to the front here. Okay, so it's a simple method of just swinging the points with our compass. Okay, so on our plan, we project the 45-degree line out, which is told to us in the question over here. Okay, so from the center of the cone, using our compass, we just swing an arc down here and swing an arc down here, and that'll give us our new point of contact over here. Okay, it'll be in there somewhere. Then the same as we did with the first, we just project it back onto the XY line and back up into our elevation. Okay, so our new point of contact is going to be over here somewhere, and same as well, we just project the new center of our sphere back onto the XY line and into our elevation. So our new sphere is going to be kind of in the middle there somewhere, just there. Okay, so I hope this has given you just a little bit of a better understanding of kind of what has happened. So we're being told that this is the position that the sphere is in, and to actually draw the sphere in this position, we just need to put it back side by side. It's kind of glitching there now. Side by side with the cone, and then just rotate it around in the plan. Okay, so hopefully that'll give you a little bit of a better understanding of what's kind of happening there with that question. Okay, any more questions you can ask me in class again next week. Okay, thanks guys.